When you're on a GUI system, there is usually an option to switch users. That brings up the question, how do you do that from the command line? Well, you're in luck. This is B from Talk Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to switch users from the Linux command line with one command. Stick with me. I've got a favor to ask. If you like this type of video and want to see more content like it, make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, don't forget to give this video a like if you like it, give it a dislike if you didn't like it. Make sure you let me know what you liked, didn't like, or if you have any comments, questions, concerns, or emotional outbursts down in the comments below. And lastly, make sure you stick around all the way to the end to get the best understanding of the topic. Let's dig in. All right, so the command that we're actually going to be talking about today, let me go ahead and shrink my face here, bear with me, is going to be the su command. And let's go ahead and run a what is on su command, and we can see that the su command is a command with substitute user and group ID. I'm sorry, run a command with substitute user and ID. So essentially what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to become another user. And I have actually done a video on the what is command. So if you're curious about the what is command, go ahead and look back at that video. But just a summary is it just gives you a brief explanation of what a command does. Now, the full command that we're going to want to actually use today is going to be sudo su, and then we're also going to put a tac here. Now, you can do this one of two ways. Now, if you do it just as it is here on the screen, this is going to sign you in as the root user. So let me actually go ahead and show that to you. Let's put in the password. And now we are root. Now, let me just check something here. Let's see, pass. I believe I still have I still have user on here. Okay, cool. I couldn't remember if I still had the additional user on this one. So let's go ahead and exit out of here. And let's do the same thing again, sudo su tac, and we're going to do user. And see, the cool thing is that when we do it this way, is it's going to allow us to directly sign in as that person. Now, not only is it going to allow us to sign in directly as that person, the tac is also going to allow us to go into their home directory. Because if you see that here, we do pwd, we can see that we're actually in the home directory of that user. Now, if I exit out, when we do a pwd, we can see that we're in my home directory, or this user's home directory. So it's pretty cool. And you can run this command with and without sudo. If you run it without sudo, you are going to be required to put in the user's password, whether that be root or just another user on the system. So pretty cool, right? Again, you can do this without having, this is one of the ways you can get around the activating the root user on an Ubuntu system, whether it be server or the desktop, is the root user is disabled by default. So if you still want to be able to log in as the root user but not using an actual password, because that will activate the root account, is you can use this method and then still keep your root user secure. So pretty amazing, right? In my opinion, switching users from the command line is actually easier than the GUI. Check out the other videos in my one command playlist. If you're caught up, check out this other video from my channel instead. Thank you so much for watching and have the greatest of days.